we are about to dive into the fascinating world of Jewish theology. For Muslims, the study of comparative theology is a type of homecoming. I would contend, and many Western scholars would agree with me, that the most scholarly, significant, and thoroughly robust treatment of the subject arrived with Islam, and that the discipline of comparative religions or theologies is a purely Muslim contribution to the world. As Muslims, we see this idea of revelation that basically goes throughout human history. So the Quran talks about different prophets of God that received revelation. So Abraham is a prophet, and Isaac and Ishmael are prophets. So we believe that these prophets of God, they received messages from the Almighty, and that the final messenger of God is the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. So the study of all of these prophets and the revelations that they were given, this is part and parcel to the Islamic tradition, I would argue. There are many benefits of studying comparative Abrahamic theologies. This course will increase one in knowledge and certitude, and gives one the confidence to be able to engage in substantive religious discourse by finely tuning the three operations of the mind: apprehension, judgment, and reasoning. In this course, we're going to look at Jewish theology, we're going to look at the history of Judaism, we're going to look at verses in the Hebrew Bible that establish Jewish theology. I think if you are Muslim, non-Muslim, Christian, Jewish, agnostic, or atheist, you will find this course on Jewish theology enlightening and thought-provoking. And hopefully this course will act as a springboard and a source of motivation for you to conduct further research and seek more advanced studies. My name is Dr. Ali Ataie, and this is Comparative Abrahamic Theologies, Judaism in Focus.